Okay, today I'm going to do another wave in my wave series, and this is going to just come up. It's going to be just one giant wave taking over the whole canvas. I've got a lot of blues, and I will put them in the description so that you'll know which blues I'm using. So I'm just going to get started on pouring the different color blues on the canvas. Well, I hope it stays just like this, but with fluid art, you never know how it's going to dry. But look at that wave. It's pretty abstract, I know. I was going for that. I mean, look what happened there. I am so leaving that. Now, normally I swipe a wave, but I'm going to leave this as a blow. I might have to try to manipulate it as it's drying if it starts moving in a direction that doesn't look like a wave. But right now, I mean, get a load of that. So, ain't that pretty? All right, I hope you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to my channel if you will. Thanks.